tayong binabangon ng kape, pero alam mo bang may kwento sa likod ng bawat tasa? This July 2025, nilaunch ng Department of Tourism Region 11 ang Coffee and Cacao Tour sa Davao Region para ipakita na more than just masarap, may lalim ang lasa ng local coffee at chocolate. Thanks to John Darren Giwan of Kapampangan Traveler and member of Pampanga Press Club, we got to experience the sights, flavor, and stories of Davao's coffee and cacao. First stop ng tour, from bean to cup? Yes, literal! Nagtanim kami ng coffee sprouts with the Bagobo Tagabawa tribe na pwedeng lagyan pa ng name tag. Next, the Dobria Farm. In fairness, ang ganda ng view. Dito, tinuro sa amin ni Miss Marivic, Certified Coffee Champ, kung paano maging plantita ng quality coffee cherries. Then, sa Coffee for Peace, nakita namin paano ginagawa ang legit na beans. Wash, dry, roast, and grind. Parang slow burn love story ng kape. Siyempre, may coffee museum rin kung saan aesthetic ang buong lugar at full-on educational ang vibe. May coffee cupping session pa sa Frog Coffee Arena kung saan natutunan naming i-describe ang lasa ng kape like pro. Nutty, fruity, smooth. G ka na ba dyan? Now, for the chocolate part, hello, Davao Cacao Trail. Sa Belvis Farm, cacao trees galore with sikwate and even durian-infused choco. Then, sa sikat na Malagos Garden Resort, nag-DIY kami ng chocolate bars, hands-on mula pad hanggang bar. Sa Cacao City at Cacao Culture Store, namit namin ang innovators behind Davao's best tablea and modern choco treats. May chocolate wine pa kung game ka. End-to-end, dinner at Balik Bukid Restaurant. Farm-to-table goodness plus art made from, yes, chocolate! And good news, Kabalen! Cebu Pacific Air now flies direct from Clark to Davao. So, what are you waiting for? Kung coffee at chocolate lover ka or both, this tour hits different. Promise! Tara na, Abe! Davao is waiting! This is Patricia Mamahon on the spot.